Alright, this recording is to show you how to submit two separate projects with requirements that require a DWG and PDF, one PDF with multiple sheets and two separate projects. So the first thing you're going to do is open up your master title block, which I've done here. And then you will do a save as. So you do File and Save As, and I've already done this previously, so I won't walk you through that because you know how to do the Save As. The first one I did is Save As, and I called it Project 1. The next thing I did is I went back to my master title block and I did another file, Save As, and I called that one Project 2. So we have two separate projects here with two that we're going to have two different layouts for the sheets. Now, Project 1 requires 8.5 by 11. So, as you look at the master title block and the sheet sets available there, I have, let me go ahead and delete this one. It was for another example. So right now we have the four sheet set sizes that we deal with in our master title block, 8.5 by 11, 11 by 17, C and D sheets. That's in the master title block. When I did a Save As, and we'll use the Project 2 because I haven't messed with that one, I did a Save As Project 2, and I still have the same sheets. I also did a Save As Project 1. Now I moved ahead a little bit on this one, and I deleted the 11 by 17, the C, and the D. And then I made two more 8.5 by 11 sheets. And I renamed them, first one Site and next one Detail. Alright, so that's in Project 1. And that's the requirements for Project 1 in this example is two 8.5 by 11 sheets. So let's look at Project 2 now. We still have our four different sheet sets here, and Project 2 requires two D sheets. So now I'm going to select 8.5 by 11, and I'm going to delete 8.5 by 11. I'm going to 11 by 17, click on that, left click on that, and delete that one. And then I'm going to the C sheet, left click on that, and right click and delete. Now, I have the D sheet as the only one left in Project 2. My master title block is still tucked away, and as you can see the tab up here, I can click over to that, and all the sheets are still there, so it's no problem there. Packet 2 is two D sheets. So I have my title block filled out here, which is what you want to do on all your sheets. Fill it out as much as possible. You will have to do some editing, but this will save you a little bit of work when you're duplicating sheets. So now I have one D sheet, so I'm going to left click on that and then right click, and I'm going to make a copy of this because I need to have two D sheets in this project. And now I'm going to go to Move or Copy. This box will come up and you want to select down the bottom left, Create a Copy. Make sure ArchD is selected and hit OK. Now we look down here at the bottom, we now have ArchD 2 and ArchD, just plain ArchD. So right now, they're duplicate sheets. So right now I'm going to left click and then right click on ArchD 2, and I'm going to rename that, and I'll call that my cover sheet, for example. And then I'll click out of it, and then I'll go to the ArchD one, the second one, and I'll left click and right click on it and rename. And I'll call that Floor Plan, for example. Alright, so now I have two projects. I have Project 1 that requires 8.5 by 11, and Project 2, which requires two D sheets. So now what you will do is you'll send in, first you'll make one PDF of these two sheets. So let me show you how to do that. So you'll do File, Export, PDF, and know where you're going to send it to because it's going to create a PDF file. So I'm going to go ahead and send it to this file folder I have here. And I'm going to go ahead and send it into Packet 1 for an example. And this one is called, the file name is called Project number 2. And I'm going to go ahead and put project 2 D sheets. All right, and I typically put a date in there. You can do that. I actually make it. That sometimes helps. All right, so now the next thing is you want to look at, and typically when you open this up for the first time, over here on export, it will say current layout. That means the layout that they exposed, which is floor plan. Right now we have floor plan selected. That is the only layout that is going to PDF. When you do multiple sheets for one PDF, you have to come over here and change it to all layouts. Now when you change it to all layouts, it automatically will do every layout that is down here. If we were doing this in the master title block, it would, and we went ahead in the master title block and made an additional D sheet. So we'd have these 2 D sheets. And now we did all layouts. It would do 8.5 by 11, 11 by 17, C, and the 2 D sheets. We don't want that. We just want 2 sheets in one PDF. So that's why we went ahead and deleted the other sheets. So now we'll go ahead and it says all layouts, and we just go ahead and save it. And now it's made a PDF. We don't see that. Down here we have no errors found in the PDF, and we can go to our file, and we can go to desktop, AM, and I think it was packet 1, and here it is, project 2 D sheets. And we can go ahead and open that, just to see how it looks, and there we have our 2 D sheets. One of you can't tell the difference because they're both the same, but up here it lists 1 of 2 and 2 of 2, etc. So we have that completed. So let's look at our project number 1. So here again we have 2 sheets. The requirement is 1 DWG and a PDF of the 2 sheets. Again, we'll do File, and we will do Export to PDF. And now it says all layouts because we've already done this once, so that's what it defaults to. So if you only wanted to do the current layout, you would choose that, you drop down and choose that, but we want all layouts. And again, we're going to go ahead and make, this is project number 1, and we're going to go ahead and type in 8.5 by 11. Just for clarification, again, we would put a date or any other information in there. We wanted initials. Always put your initials in all the files. All right, and then we're going to go save it in packet 1, the same place. Hit save. And down here we have notification, no errors found, and we can open our File Explorer, and here we see the 8.5, project 1, 8.5 by 11 PDF. All right, so that is how you use your master title block using 2 different files, 2 separate projects, setting them up with the proper sheets, and submitting for each assignment the correct way with 1 DWG, 1 PDF of multiple sheets. Well, hopefully that was helpful for you, and as always, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to email. Thanks so much, and we'll see you soon.